album, start of the third album material here. And well, this one is very renowned for inspiring speed metal. I guess you people like speed metal then, right?
Hell yeah! Yeah!
Hey, we didn't even know that that's what it was going to be called when we wrote the song. We just wrote the song, you know what I mean? Yeah, we found this fucking real cool groove where you chug the guitar really fast and the bass drums fucking follow it. Fuck, we thought, oh, that's really cool. No one was calling it speed metal. We just thought it was really fucking cool. And now it's an everyday thing. And when Tom Araya told me that he'd never heard anything like that and it fucking blew his lights, I was going, okay, I can go with that. Here's a song we call Motormount.